Good day, loyal customers. This is Babs Vlog. Welcome again. Today we are here to review the Baseus Mini S bracket wireless charging power bank. It is a power bank which serves as a wireless charger at the same time. That's the user manual. And some paperwork. This is the warranty notice. It comes with a charging cable, a USB-A charging cable, a mini USB charging cable. That's how it looks. So it is the power bank itself. That's the wireless charging surface. It comes with one USB-A adapter or port, with one Type-C port and one USB-A port. That's the LED display or LED display. It also comes with a lanyard or strap, a silicone lanyard. The device is very cute and compact, as you can all see. It supports up to 10 watts wireless charging with 18 watts PD and QC charging technology. The power bank is equipped with 10,000 milliamps per hour capacity. It also has a bracket to hold your mobile phones and tablets in place, as you can see in the video. So you don't need to worry about getting a tablet holder or mobile phone holder. This is a 2-in-1 device, a power bank at the same time, a mobile phone holder. So guys, as you can all see, that's the wireless charging surface. It can charge all wireless charging devices up to. Guys, thank you very much for watching my video.